Fundamentally, moving towards thriving is maximising the volume of work your additive manufacturing portfolio can produce and increasing the value of the parts produced. We help companies to thrive with AM really by opening up possibilities. And we do this by breaking down prints into three categories: prototypes, manufacturing aids, and manufacturing. A lot of our customers purchase machines for prototyping and haven't considered the technology's use in other areas of the business. You might only need one prototype, but we find that companies manufacture tens, sometimes hundreds of manufacturing aids, and we take that a step further by looking for opportunities to manufacture, where the volumes can be hundreds of thousands. There are countless case studies showing the savings of time and money in prototyping, and that's great, but the value savings increase when we look towards using the technology for manufacturing aids, tools, jigs, molds, spare parts for production machinery. There are some fantastic examples of where our applications engineers have been able to save companies hundreds of thousands of pounds. I'm sure you can imagine a spare part that's printed in minutes, that got a production line up and running again, has the potential for massive savings, and we see this in the Jabil Ultimaker case study. We've helped companies to open up to these possibilities by thinking outside the box. We've helped companies find, develop, produce thousands of applications, and more frequently we hear from companies that want to manufacture using AM. Manufacturing is where AM can help your business to truly thrive. Producing parts additively is very cost effective, little to no tooling costs, and very minimal wastage. When you add speeds in comparison to traditional methods, then AM becomes very attractive. This is what we can see in the LCD technology of Photocentric. The cost per part can be dramatically cheaper, and we can work with you to understand the savings achievable prior to investment, with the development of a business case with accurate ROI calculations. Manufacturing PPE in the UK for hospitals in the UK, Photocentric have managed to ramp up production to tens of thousands of face shields per day very quickly to handle the shortages of supply. The massive disruption that COVID-19 has caused across the globe has opened people's eyes to the pitfalls of centralised manufacturing, especially to supply chains. To thrive in these challenging times, we have to build new ways of working, new supply chains that cannot be disrupted. Digital warehousing and decentralised local manufacturing is the answer. A world where files are emailed instantly across any 2 points of the globe, with minimal ecological impact and produced locally, just in time, reducing the shipping requirements alongside reducing the space and cost of warehousing. This is added to the cost benefits of producing products additively. If we look at the Volkswagen and Heineken case studies, alongside the production volumes that Photocentric have achieved with PPE, we can start to see that this vision is already here. Don't wait, think big, and speak to one of our agents today about how we can work with your company to develop applications. Let's start to reap the maximum rewards of true additive manufacturing.